My name is Peter Latta. I'm president of SWLF Exploration. The ticker symbol is SWLF on the TSX Venture or SWLFF on the OTCQB. SWLF is a greenfields exploration company exploring in Durango, Mexico, looking for gold and silver. So our primary project is the Ana Maria project, located just outside of Torreon, a major city, on the famous Sierra Madre silver belt, located next to some very prolific mines, silver mines. And we're right next to a key intrusive, which is a key feature in what's called the carbonate replacement deposit type of deposit area. And so the key factor that I want to get across there is really that the geology of this area has been underexplored. It's been a project that's been dormant for about 25 years, owned by our sister company Avino, and SWLF was able to option it for very low cost and able to start exploring it and unlocking the treasures of it. Yeah, so one of the things I'm most proud of is really establishing such a strong technical team, starting right from the guys on the ground, the geologists doing the field work, extremely experienced guys that have worked all across Mexico and know what they're doing, up to our technical advisory board where we have a guy by the name of Vic Chevalon who's credited with discovering the Cordero deposit, which is a 1.2 billion ounce silver deposit. We have a PhD geologist that was ex-VP exploration for GR Silver, a very prominent company exploring in Mexico. So we have a really strong technical group, in addition to our VP of exploration, Carlos Rodriguez, and our other technical advisory board member, Garth Kirkham, very well respected geophysicist as well. Really strong group of a technical group that is unique for this size of company. And really, with greenfields exploration, the strength of your team is really the strength of the company. So I'm very proud to have assembled such a strong group. Yeah, we've been doing a lot of targeting work up until now, and the next phase is going to be the drill program. So that's going to be really exciting because we're right at the precipice of the Lassonde curve where it could really take off and go parabolic. And that's the exciting part. So to be prepped for drill results would be the next step. Once that starts to trickle down, commodity price is still quite good. The producers are certainly doing well as far as cash flow is concerned, and that'll eventually trickle down into the explorers because these major companies do need to replace their asset base, and they require explorers. So I think we're going to start to see that trickle down into the exploration companies, as I mentioned, and those drill results will get more traction. Yeah, I think that's a really good question, and I'm glad you asked me. So one of the key differences is that we're tied with our partner Avino, which we've optioned the company from, and that allows us to really reduce our cost structure, which when you're an exploration company in a difficult market gives you a lot more runway because it can reduce your overheads. So I don't make a salary from SWLF, for example, as president of the company. Our CFO does not make a salary, and that's because we also are employed by Avino as well. And that really just extends the runway. So, our technical team are compensated with options, so we're aligned with shareholders and we're not burning cash. So the key is to keep that runway as long as possible and buy us as much time as we can as we continue to develop the project.